everyone, welcome back to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. Today I'm sharing a recipe which brings back happy memories from my childhood. My mom and I were shopaholics. We loved spending our weekends in the mall, and as everyone has to experience in the mall, you get hungry. So we would often head to the food court, and one of our favorite places to eat was Panda Express. I honestly love their food. And here in Switzerland, we don't have a Panda Express, so I had to kind of figure out how to make my own chow mein similar to theirs. In my opinion, it's better, but you guys have to taste it and see how you feel about it. But I hope you enjoy the recipe. The ingredients you need to make your chow mein are 250 grams of Mein Noodles, 2 grated carrots, 1/4 of a small cabbage also chopped up finely, 1 onion chopped up finely, 1 garlic clove minced, 100 grams of soy sprouts, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, half a teaspoon of celery salt. So the first step to start our chow mein is very easy. You need a deep pan. If you have a wok, it's even better. If not, just improvise with something that looks like a wok, which is what I'm going to do. You're going to add your oil, you're going to heat it up, and you're going to fry your veggies and sprouts. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the carrot and the cabbage, the soy sprouts, and the onions. The pieces are about this size. You can make them. The thing is, the vegetables, you can have them any size you want. I like this finely grated, and these are fine this size. But you guys can do the vegetables any size, any thickness you want. So those are going to heat up in the oil. The nice thing about the chow mein, what gives it flavor, is if you leave some pieces which are a bit charred. Don't burn all the veggies, otherwise it'll be disgusting and dry. But just char a few bits and pieces there so it gives it flavor. Once you have the sufficient amount of charred veggies, which is just a little bit, you can add your garlic and mix it around so it gives some flavor. And finally, you're going to season with the celery salt. While you're finishing, you can have your water boiling and you can cook your chow mein pasta, your Mein noodles, until they're al dente, and then I'll tell you what's the next step. So we're done cooking our veggies. As you saw, I charred it very lightly, but that little bit gives it a lot of flavor, so I do suggest that you do that. The pasta is also al dente. For those of you who don't know what al dente means, it's that you don't cook it so that it's mushy. It still has a slight firmness to it, which is the best way to enjoy pasta. So if your pasta has that characteristic that it's still slightly firm, it's perfect. Turn it off, drain the water. And now we're going to turn our stove back on, and we're going to add the pasta. We're going to toss it around a bit so that it loses a bit of the humidity that it got from the cooking in the water. And then just 1 or 2 minutes. And when we're done, we're going to season with the soy sauce and the oyster sauce. Give it another mix, and we're done. It's very easy. So we're done. As you saw, it's really easy, really fast, and it's super yummy. The recipe, the ingredients, I'm pretty sure you guys can find them in most supermarkets. All supermarkets, at least here in Switzerland, have a foreign food section. So if you live in Mexico, Walmart is always a very good option. Here in Switzerland, you can find it in your local Coop or Migros, and it's just a matter of looking around so that you can find this stuff. Another thing is, maybe not everyone likes cabbage or carrots. You guys can improvise with different vegetables that you might like. It's it's always going to turn out good. It's very fresh, it's very nice. For example, chow mein usually has fresh celery in it, and I don't like celery, so I improvise with celery salt. I like the taste of celery, but not the texture, so I use celery and salt instead to give it the flavor. But you guys can put fresh celery if you want, and you can avoid adding the celery salt. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I hope you make it. It's really good. And see you guys next time. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.